Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Sherrod 254, man. You tune in for another one. Remember, we still got a couple stickers available. I think we're down like 10 to 15 left. $5 a piece. Send the $5 a Cash App with your address and we'll get them shipped out to you. Appreciate everybody for the support that y'all have showed already. But we still got a few more. If y'all want to grab them, let me know. Now, in today's video, we got an unboxing. We're gonna get right to it. As you can see, that might have been overkill. I think that might have been overkill. So let me go ahead and start out by saying this video is not, while this video is sponsored, it is not dictated. Let me just show you what I got. So we gotta do this like a first round draft pick or something, right? You know where they take the joint. I was in the NBA draft. They take the joint and then they put the hat on. Yeah. So today's video, like I said, is sponsored by Super Clean. Shout out to Super Clean. They reached out to us. Obviously, they've been watching the content, which I appreciate, because a lot of people that want a sponsorship or a collaboration with the channel, man, they don't really watch what we be doing over here. Like, this ain't no pretty boy stuff over here, right? It gets grimy, it gets dirty, and we have stuff that we need to be cleaning, right? So they sent me out a shirt. I'm saying I opted for the purple. Opted for the purple. I don't really got no purple shirts that purple hit different. I mean, it is what it is. Tough Task Cleaner and Degreaser. So what they did, they sent me out a couple products, which we will be implementing into the next couple videos. So definitely want to make sure you stay tuned. I will be making specific. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's like 4 different products. We'll be making a video for each individual one, or if there is one that is, what's the word? We'll be using one for the ones that can be collaborated or put together. We'll be putting those together. For the other ones, we won't. So first one up out of here, the new Easy Aerosol spray can of the Tough Task Cleaner and Degreaser. Perfect for all your super tough messes, brakes. We got that. Grills. Actually, there is a grill in the backyard that probably need to be cleaned up. Might even have to use it on that. And you can also use it on engines. Unfortunately, I think we just cleaned up our last engine not too long ago, so yeah, we'll have to use it on brakes or grills or something like that. So next product up, Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. We got a lot of wheels. 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So we got 20 wheels. 20 wheels. So I don't know if it'll clean all of them. I don't know if this one is specific for chrome wheels. It does say all wheel cleaner. So it may be something that we have to use on the Ram or the Charger instead of our chrome wheels. But I'll do a little bit more in detail, and like I said, when I make that video, you'll get all the details. Next product, We have the actual spray that everyone is used to. Super clean, tough Taz cleaner and degreaser. So like I said, we'll be using that as well. This also uses, you can use it on engine, tools, grills, driveways, outdoor furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many other cleaning uses. So it's not necessarily just a garage item, however that is where we be at, but you can use it for many other things. So maybe clean the inside of your car, outside of your car, whatever like that. So, and then we got some paperwork, basically giving us some additional. Is this a sticker? It's a sticker. Hold on, is that a sticker? It's a sticker, y'all. We just got a sticker. All right. Y'all know what we like to do with them stickers. Put them right up there on the box. So we're gonna take our super clean sticker here. And we're going to apply it like so. So it's flush, got all the bubbles out. Boom. So, see if we can zoom it in so y'all can see it up there. Super clean is up on the fridge, man. On the fridge. So, I like stickers. I ain't even telling them to send me a sticker, but who don't like stickers, bro? Who don't like stickers? They also said, send some information. We've expanded our line to help you tackle grease and grime. Grease and grime. All-wheel cleaner is used to break down traffic film and grime on rims. The aerosol can is the same cleaning and degreasing formula as the original Super Clean, with a precision spray nozzle, and it sticks to vertical surfaces. And then this is a product that I didn't even know they had. Let me go ahead and pull it out the box. Floor absorbent. And that's actually like pretty light. I mean, I don't know how much weight I thought it was gonna have, but they said is equivalent up to 15 pounds of clay. Floor absorbent, absorbs spills, super easy, super fast. So we definitely, I'm gonna have to spill something just so I can show you how it works. So won't be an issue. Like I said, it'll be coming. Yeah. Also, let me show you. They also sent a list of where you can get these beautiful products. You can get it at Ace. You can get it at Ace, Advanced Auto Parts, Amazon, AutoZone, Blair's, Farm and Fleet, Do It Best, Fleet Farm, Lowe's, Meijer, Minyards, Napa, O'Reilly's, Orgill, Pep Boys, True Value, or Walmart. So we have used Super Clean here on the channel before. I don't know if they saw that. So I don't know if that's why they reached out, or maybe they saw that it was just a potential. But much thanks to the guys over at Super Clean for sending out these products. We're definitely going to put them to use here in the next week or so. I do have some cleaning and stuff I need to do. Just gonna do a little bit more back research, that way I can inform my subscribers to make the best decision that they can. So as always, thank you guys for watching. It's your boy LSR254. Remember, identify your weakness, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.